Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a website with the Gamma app. Ladies and gentlemen, if you jump into Gamma.com, you will end up on this page over here. At the top, you will see there's a create new. It's got an AI button on it. Also, you've got new Gamma, and then you've got import. What we're going to do is go to create new, and I'm going to show you exactly how quickly this can really be done. So over here, you have the paste in text, generate, and import file or URL. Let's go and click on generate. And once you've clicked on generate, right at the top, you'll have presentation, web page, document, and social. Let's click on web page. And now let us describe what type of web page we would like to create. A landing page for my customized, personalized coloring books. You can also choose the amount of cards over here. I'm going to put it on default by 1 card. However, it may generate more than 1 card to create one single page. Let's go ahead and say generate outline. All right, it has generated an outline. You can see here there is just 1 page. It's quite a large page, and that's fine. You can add cards here. You can actually break this up into 3 cards. And then if you go down over here, you can customize it. So here you can choose the amount of text per card. I'm going to keep it as concise. You can also change your visuals, including your theme. So here are a few themes, but you can also click on view more. It'll give you a whole bunch of themes. There are so many. Let's go ahead and just choose something like this. And then we can just say select theme. And then if we come a little bit further down here, you can choose the types of images that you'll have put in here. So if you can say web images, right, then you will have either all types of web images, free to use licensed or free to use commercially licensed. In the image source, you can actually change this from automatic, and this will basically choose for you. You can choose stock photos that will come from Unsplash, web images, AI images, or illustrations, animated GIFs. And then if you are wanting to just add in your own images, you can actually just use image placeholders. So you can go and choose whichever one best suits your needs. Once you're done, you can go ahead and say generate. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our web page. This is a single page. You can see now this is how it's presented. All right. So what you can actually see here is this is still editable. So every element that you click on, you can actually edit it from the color, the style, the alignment, and then literally you can type in whatever it is that you'd like to. Also, on the top right-hand side, you can actually go ahead and just click on that little arrow next to agent, and here you can ask for edits to be done. So let's say take the image and put it on the left hand side, or break each section of the page with an image, or whatever it is that you'd like. You can change everything right over here. You can also change the theme. That's great. When you're going and clicking on publish, you can actually publish your site. You can also add a custom domain that you can make a purchase with through Gamma app, and then you can also publish just the page as a current page and then a page preview. So if you go ahead and say publish site, it's quite simple. All you have to do is click on it and it will give you a domain. Let's go and click on this. Your domain will look like this. It'll have your name, whatever it's called, your website or your page, .gamma.site. And here it is. This is actually fully functional. Of course, you'll be able to go and edit like the buttons and put in functions to that, so if you can actually click on it and make it do something. But that is literally the simplest way to create a website with Gamma.